भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने श्रीमद् भगवद गीता में लिखा है, योगः कर्मसु कौशलम. Every karma that you do, every deed that you perform, every act that you do should become a yoga. मतलब it should be good for you, it should be good for your surrounding, it should be good for your colleagues, it should be good for the people who know it, and it should be graced by God. This all 5 sentences come together to make one word, and that is yoga. You got it? Shall I repeat? This 5 sentences, 5 meanings, 5 dimensions, they come together to make one word, and that is yoga. Yoga karmashu kaushalam. Every act that you perform should become a yoga. Recently, a book has been published. The title of the book is What They Don't Teach You at Harvard. Published by Harvard. And What They Don't Teach You at Harvard. In which I'll give you the gist of it. They said for the complete development of the human being and his atmosphere, surroundings, a human should develop 3 H. Pratham H hai hand. When only the hand works, it is labor. जब सिर्फ हाथ काम करता है, मजदूरी है. The second H is the head. When the hand and the head they work together, it becomes skill. When the hand, head and the heart work together, it becomes art. They say in this book that every act that you perform should become an art. वही ये ट्रांसलेशन हुआ, एवरी एक्ट दैट यू परफॉर्म शुड बिकम अ योग. जो योग शब्द हमने यूज किया है, वो शब्द आर्ट हार्वर्ड ने यूज किया है. दे से दैट एवरी एक्ट ऑफ योर्स शुड हैव द फुल बैकिंग ऑफ द हैंड, हेड एंड द हार्ट. ऑल 3. देन यू मेक इट एन आर्ट. भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने गीता में यह कहा, योग कर्मसु कौशलम. एवरी एक्ट should become a yoga, that it should be good to you, your surroundings, to your working colleagues, back home, and graced by God. Same thing. I give you a couple of examples. ऐसे तो हजारों बातें हैं जो सालों पहले, युगों पहले हमारे महान ऋषि मुनियों ने जो बात की है, वे बातें आज कोई और पैकिंग में, कोई और स्वरूप में, कोई और रंग ढंग से पश्चिम के महान विचारक या महान लेखक या टीचर्स बता रहे हैं. Again I say all credit to them. Without the support or perhaps the reading of this material, they have done a research. So we give all credit to them. But at the end of the day, at the end of their research, the outcome, the fruit was what we have since ages. इतनी ये सब बात आज भी रेलेवेंट है. तो योग कर्मसु कौशलम. एवरी एक्ट दैट यू परफॉर्म शुड बिकम अ योग.